Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Etoro Delta application on your mobile device. To download the Delta Etoro app, first of all go ahead and open your Etoro application and sign into your account. After you are logged in, tap on the three horizontal buttons at the top left corner. Now scroll down and click on the Get Delta App button. Click on the Download Now button in the pop-up and then you will be able to see the Delta Investment Tracker application in the app interface. Click on the Get button or the Install button and you will then be able to get the application download process started. The Etoro Delta app, simply known as Delta, is a comprehensive portfolio tracker that helps users manage and track their investments in real time across various asset classes like stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, and other financial products. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open. Now you can sign up using your social media accounts or your email address, or you can also log in using your Etoro account's credential to get access to Delta. That's how you easily get the Etoro Delta app or simply the Delta app on your mobile devices installed. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.